Everyone has been raving about how sustainable bamboo is as a material. It can be used for so many purposes, from building construction to food, and can even be turned into a bike frame. So we decided to head to Indonesia to understand more about this material and see if bamboo can actually save the world. Bamboo is actually a type of grass and not a tree. There are over 1,000 species of it. Some of these species can be eaten, while others are used for heavy-duty construction. The plant can grow up to 1 metre a day. That means within 48 hours it can actually be taller than me. This also means that it can reach a height of 30 metres in just 2 months. That's the height of a 6-storey building. We had to go and see this magical plant for ourselves, so we headed to the island of Bali in Indonesia. The carbon footprint of all my flights is offset using the platform Offset Earth. We arrived on the mainland of Bali and headed inland towards the bamboo forest in Ubud. We walked across the rice fields and entertained the locals for a little bit. Then we reached the bamboo forest. The plants were huge and you could barely see where the tops ended. It has been said that harvesting bamboo cannot be classed as deforestation, as it can regrow as quickly as we can consume it. It also produces 35% more oxygen than most tree species and captures a huge amount of CO2. From the bamboo forest we headed to an island just off the coast of Lombok called LiQWYD. We were told they were using bamboo to create the majority of their buildings. This island is known for having no motorised vehicles, which makes it incredibly fun to bike around. However, the locals are increasing the amount of horse-drawn carriages, so make sure if you do ever visit that you don't support this cruelty. Unfortunately, they are also using the horses to carry the building material. However, at least bamboo is a lot lighter than other building materials like concrete and steel. Bamboo comes out on top for so many other reasons too. Even with this light weight, it still has the tensile strength of steel. You can literally slam 4 tons of weight down on it and it can take it. And is also a lot more renewable than other building materials such as timber, which takes over 7 times longer to reach maturity. Back on the mainland of Bali, the Green School is educating the children on the sustainable benefits of this material.
If you plant bamboo today, in just 5 years, you'll have all the bamboo you need for the rest of your life to build all the buildings you ever want to need. And that's why we chose bamboo to make Green School.
And when my father built Green School in Bali, he chose bamboo for all of the buildings on campus because he saw it as a promise. It's a promise to the kids. It's one sustainable material that they will not run out of.
We were extremely lucky to see so many amazing examples of bamboo buildings during our time in Indonesia, but it has got me thinking, why don't we use bamboo in the Western world? The obvious answer may be that we don't have the same hot climate as Indonesia, so we can't have these open air shelters, but there are other ways that we can use it.
You wonder what's in here, right? This, ladies and gentlemen, is the future of bamboo. Industrially processed, engineered bamboo building materials.
But what can we do with this engineered material? Well, we can use it to replace timber and steel, such as in these examples. But what's wrong with timber? Deforestation is happening at a rapid pace all across the world. Yes, these trees can grow back, but why not use a material that can grow back 7 times faster? And as I mentioned at the start of the video, bamboo can be used for so many other products such as clothing and furniture and even biofuel. But can it save the world? Yes, it can, and here's why. I will keep the maths simple. The Bond Challenge is a global effort to bring 350 million hectares of the world's deforested land into restoration by 2030. Now, 1 hectare of bamboo captures 1,000 tonnes of CO2, and the worldwide CO2 emissions per year is 35 million kilotons. So if we are to reforest these 350 million hectares from the Bond Challenge with bamboo, this will buy us 10 years of CO2 emissions to truly transition over to a green energy economy. But is this the best solution for our planet? Probably not. We shouldn't have to buy ourselves time in order to fix it. If you want to know how you can help save this planet, then make sure you go and join the community at Better Century. They are an online community providing solutions and inspiration for sustainable living. It is free to join and the link is in the description below. Thank you for listening. Be sure to subscribe and check out my other videos showing you how we can save Earth.